Novy Svet is more than just champagne. It's history, tradition, and the taste of victory. Open a bottle and feel the spirit of Crimea. On the southeastern coast of Crimea, amidst picturesque mountains and the Azure Sea, the secret of creating one of Russia's finest champagnes has been kept for over a century. This is the story of the Novy Svet Distillery, a place where tradition and innovation merge into a single bouquet. In 1878, Prince Lev Sergeyevich Golitsyn founded the Novy Svet Champagne Distillery. His dream was simple: to create a wine comparable to French masterpieces. To this end, he assembled a collection of over 600 grape varieties and built unique aging tunnels. Thus began the history of one of Russia's most famous wineries. By 1890, the distillery had already begun industrial bottling of champagne. In 1900, Novy Svet won the Grand Prix at the World's Fair in Paris, a recognition that became a symbol of quality and craftsmanship. In 1912, the distillery was gifted to Emperor Nicholas II and granted the right to display the state emblem on its bottles. After the Revolution and Civil War, the distillery was nationalized, and production ceased. But in 1936, thanks to the efforts of the masters at Obradoso, Novy Svet was revived. By 1940, its champagne had once again become exemplary, and after the war, the distillery expanded its tunnels and strengthened its infrastructure. Today, Novy Svet is a modern enterprise producing over 2 million bottles of champagne per year. Unique wines are created here. From the classic Brut to the rare Cuvée, considered the pride of Russian winemaking, the distillery continues the traditions of Prince Golitsyn, preserving quality and inspiring new generations. Novy Svet is more than just champagne. This is history, tradition, and the taste of victory. Open a bottle and feel the spirit of Crimea.